Okay, can I start now?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Once again, a very good morning to everyone. This is Yogesh, and my title is regarding the mental health policy and in the UK and global initiatives. Yeah, coming to it, my abstract is regarding the mental health, and mental health has emerged as a critical public health in the worldwide initiatives and comprehensive issues and the equities and the care. The UK has developed in the robust to the mental health and the framework and initiatives such as the NHS long-term and community of mental health and the frameworks and aiming in mental health services enhances and the early initiatives and the reduces the despite of the advancements and the challenge of finding in the workplaces or the shortage in the services accessibility in the persist. And globally, like the World Health Organizations, comprehensive in the mental health action plans were like 2013 to 2030, and the United Nations in the Sustainable Developments of the Goals is like SDG and 3.4. MNS in the mental health and the fundamental comprehensives in the universal health coverage. Low and middle incomes in the countries are, however, to the struggle of the initiative in the mental health infrastructures and the stigma. In the international collaborations of the funding mechanisms, such as Global Mental Health Initiative, play a vital role in the addressing of the disparities. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, I'm audible.